So hello my friends, Devaun Lennox here at PhotographyPX. In today's video we'll cover the best pocket drones. Do know you can find timestamps and links in the description down below, as well as the pinned comment. And also know this is not a sponsored video. Let's get started. When most of us picture drones, it's usually the flagship models that come to mind with loads of features and powerful motors. And while they're indeed popular, they're not the only players in the game. Pocket drones, a subdivision of camera drones, are grossly underrated and usually overshadowed, but they're a powerful force ready to deliver high quality results to traveling creators while being compact and discreet. Pocket drones, being small enough to fit into most average sized jackets and sweatshirts, allow creatives to capture a unique perspective unbound by traditional photography, and they've opened a new world of possibilities compared to their larger siblings despite their rather humble appearance. So now you can access aerial photography at a moment's notice, and you can capture stunning images and videos without being weighed down by the hassle of a larger drone. As such, it's no surprise to see this rather faint niche gradually become the next evolution in our industry. Thankfully, today's pocket drones have many high-end features from their larger peers, and they become noticeably more sophisticated. You can find models with features such as AI subject tracking, obstacle avoidance, 3-tiered GPS, and much more. And they've become equally as powerful in many key areas, and these days many of the initial drawbacks are long gone. But you can find many drones that fall into this pocket segment, and not all are made equal. Many won't offer similar images to your smartphone or the flight experience you're likely after. So picking the right pocket drone that's genuinely worthwhile as an investment will be tricky. So to aid in that quest, we've compiled a list of the best pocket drones on the present market, and we've also included a brief guide on some of the relevant factors to consider beforehand, which you can find in the pinned comment down below. Coming in number 5, DJI's Mavic Air 2. DJI's Mavic Air 2 is quite an improvement over the original model and a solid all-rounder. It features a 1/2-inch Bayer sensor, 24mm lens, a 3-axis mechanical gimbal, 4K 60p, 2.7K 60p, and 1080p 240p video with 48 megapixel photos. For control, it connects via the DJI Fly app, ready for a maximum range of 10,000 meters and a 34-minute flight time. The Air 2 weighs 570 grams, so it does require registration. Thankfully, it remains pocketable nonetheless and easily fits into a jacket pocket. Even so, the added weight comes with notable benefits. Firstly, it offers a full complement of obstacle avoidance and landing sensors, giving the drone advanced autopiloting functionality. It also provides unrivaled longevity at 34 minutes of flight time, making it amongst the longest in our entire industry, and it does so with a larger 1/2-inch size sensor, capturing 48 megapixel HDR photos with exceptional detail and latitude for post-processing. Other bonuses include replacement propellers, smart photo, HDR video, quick shots, time-lapse, panorama, and raw photos. Overall, DJI's Mavic Air 2 ups the line with a host of new features with the same friendly price tag and compact size. Coming in number 4, Parrot Anafi. Parrot Anafi offers portability with quite an interesting feature set. It features a 1/2.4-inch CMOS sensor, a 26 to 78mm lens, 3-axis hybrid stabilization, Cinema 4K 24p or standard 4K 30p, 1080p 60p, and 21 megapixel photos. For control, it connects via the Free Flight 6 app, ready for a maximum range of 4,000 meters and a 25-minute flight time. At 320 grams, the Anafi will require registration as well. Even so, it maintains a compact, portable design that easily fits into a jacket pocket with power to withstand 31 mile-per-hour winds. And unlike rivals, it offers a 180-degree tilting camera, letting it take photos 90 degrees upwards. And this remains a distinct feature in this particular class, especially great for capturing below level or low-angle shots. It also offers a 2.8 times zoom lens for penalty-free zoom to get you closer to subjects without losing image quality and risking danger. Yet it's also one of the few drones providing the slightly wider 17:9 aspect ratio that's used in cinematography for more cinematic video. Other bonuses include replacement propellers, the dolly zoom effect, quick shots, raw, time-lapse, and HDR video. Overall, Parrot Anafi is a versatile option with a robust feature set and a unique angle that remains unmatched amongst rivals. Coming at number 3, Ryze Tello. The Ryze Tello is a collaborative release with DJI, offering fun and educational value. It features a 720p HD camera capturing 30p videos and 5 megapixel photos with electronic image stabilization. For control, it connects via the Tello app, ready for a maximum range of 100 meters and a 13-minute flight time. But crucially, weighing only 80 grams, Tello is ultra lightweight and portable, and it's well suited for both indoor or outdoor use given its 18-mile-per-hour top speed. But crucially, Tello offers a mobile programming app supporting Scratch 3.0 developed by MIT. There you can program the drone through the app to perform various aerial maneuvers such as stunts or flips through coding. As such, it's a great hands-on resource if you're curious about developing programming skills. Other bonuses include easy shots and VR compatibility. Overall, Ryze Tech's Tello is an excellent pocket drone that makes up for image quality with portability and educational value. Coming at number 2, DJI's Mavic Mini 2. DJI's Mini 2 substantially improves the original model. It features a 1/2.3-inch CMOS sensor, a 24mm lens, 3-axis mechanical gimbal, 4K 30p, and 2.7K 60p video, and 12 megapixel photos. For control, it connects via the DJI Fly app, ready for a maximum range of 10,000 meters and a 31-minute flight time. Yet coming in at only 249 grams, the Mini 2 doesn't require registration, but despite its small size, DJI has refined the design, making it even more precise and stable. Now it offers Class 5 wind resistance, letting it fly accurately even in 24-mile-per-hour winds. Yet they've also equipped the drone with several high-end features from the mid-range Mavic lineup. Namely, it receives OcuSync 2.0, their excellent transmission technology for low-latency lag-free connections, and it also gets a 3-tier GPS system, which is rock solid and offers near-perfect positioning. All the while, it's equally as small and pocketable as the original Mini. Other bonuses include replacement propellers, a 4x digital zoom, panorama, time-lapse, HDR, and RAW photos. Overall, DJI's Mini 2 offers several high-end features coveted by the Air lineup, all without its price, weight, and general bulk. And considering its performance and reliability, it's quite a powerful pocket drone indeed. Coming at number 1, FIMI's X8 Mini. FIMI's X8 Mini revitalizes their X8 SE, their best-selling and most popular release to date, and it comes to market as the first real challenger to DJI's Mavic Mini lineup, but a real challenger indeed. It features a 1/2.6-inch CMOS sensor, a 26mm lens, 3-axis mechanical gimbal, 4K UHD 30p, and 12 megapixel photos. For control, it connects via the FIMI Navi Mini app, ready for a maximum range of 8,000 meters and a 31-minute flight time. The X8 Mini comes in at just 245 grams with the Pro Flight battery, letting it fly without registration, but it also captures RAW photos and 4K videos in HDR, both providing more latitude and detail when flying in challenging lighting. The drone itself uses 2 distance sensors, an optical flow sensor, and a 3-tier GPS system for excellent in-air accuracy and precision, and it can maintain its accuracy despite Class 5 winds of 24 miles per hour, so you can fly with minimal issues in most circumstances. But crucially, you can fly this drone using the app and smartphone alone, making it supremely more convenient than rivals. Plus, it also debuts an AI smart tracking mode to this category. Now the X8 can confidently track moving subjects across the frame, and it's even one of the first drones offering live streaming support via the Flight app to boot. Other bonuses include replacement propellers, quick shot modes, time-lapse, panorama, a 3x zoom, and the night mode. Overall, FIMI's X8 Mini becomes quite an excellent release that manages to circumvent DJI's ongoing dominance, and it obtains many high-end features from the X8 SE without its size, bulk, and weight, and it's an excellent option for content creators looking for a pocketable drone with a well-rounded feature set. So there you have it, my friends. There is our list of the best pocket drones. For more information, check out our website, PhotographyPX.com. You can also look at the pinned comment in the description down below, and I'll take you right to the full post. I've been your host, Devaun Lennox. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching today's video. I hope you found the contents of today's video insightful and it added value to you. If you're new here, please consider subscribing if you haven't done so already. Also, leave us a like and a comment in the description down below. Let us know if we overlooked something or we missed something that we covered in today's video. I've been your host, Devaun Lennox, Photography.